Hi and welcome to Digital Forest. Before we begin this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the future updates regarding upcoming video lessons and tutorials. Thank you. In this tutorial, we will create an advanced 3D carousel using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. End results would look something similar to this. So to begin, what we'll do, we will head out to Google and we will search this specific script called Swiper slider. Swiper is very advanced and mobile touch friendly script which enables you to create different variations of slider. After this tutorial, you will be able to create multiple types of sliders using this script. So what we'll do, we will use this script, we will import this script and then we will slightly modify it to match our desired outlook. So we will head out to demos. Here you can see this script offers multiple variations which you can implement into your project. There are custom pagination based slides. There's a scroll bar feature. Besides that, another very important variation of the slider is vertical slider, which you can use to create vertical loading sliders. For this specific tutorial, we'll be using this 3D cover flow effect. So what we'll do, we will head out to the source code of this example. We will copy the HTML of this script. We will copy the required JavaScript file. We will import the styling, and then once the script is locally imported, we will slightly modify it. So from here, you will be able to copy the exact HTML. So first what we'll do, we will go to our IDE. I'm using Sublime Text. You can use your own IDE for this tutorial. Make sure you add a project to this editor. You will add a project. Our project folder contains another folder called images. Under this folder you will find all the images which you want to add to your slider. So we will import this folder to our IDE. Here you can see the structure. So we need to create 3 different files inside the project folder. This is our HTML file and we will save it as index.html. We need to create another file for our CSS stylings and we will save it as style.css. We will create another file for our JavaScript and we will name it script.javascript. Yeah, that's it. So in the next step, we will import the HTML code to our index.html file. Simply copy this script to our HTML file and save. Once loaded, you will be able to see our HTML is properly loading, but it's not loading the style sheets and it's not loading the JavaScript functionality which is required. So what we'll do, we will head out to the main distribution of Swiper. From here, go to the distribution or dist folder. We need to add this CSS and JavaScript to our project. So what we'll do, we will copy the Swiper.css file and we will add it here inside style.css file which was recently created. Hit the save button. Now we need to change the style sheet source so it should link to the newly created style.css. So once done, you can see like it's loading the CSS, but it's not loading the JavaScript. So the next step is to import the JavaScript. For that we will go to the dist folder again. From here we need to copy this Swiper.js file to our script.js file. Need to modify the source from where this HTML is reading this JavaScript source. So we will change it to Swiper.js. Yep, here we go. So we have successfully imported our desired demo to our local project. So now we need to change these images and slightly adjust the appearance of this demo. So first we will change the images of this example. As you can see, the images are being called here inside the Swiper container. So we will simply change it to the respective names of images inside our images folder. Add images folder before the image URL. Yep. So you can see now we need to replace all these images. That's it. So we have successfully imported the demo to our local installation. So next we want to modify the appearances slightly. So first we would modify the background color to match our own desired color. Let's say we want to make it dark. So for that we need to change the background color of the body tag. It's always a good practice to keep all your CSS stylings inside a single CSS file. So we will remove this code from here, from our index.html. And we will add it here. So yeah, we have modified the background color to match our own desired background color. So next I want to apply a certain identity to an active image. Like whenever an image is set to active, it should attain a certain height or should attain a certain feature to make it differentiate from the rest of the images. So what we'll do, like we will inspect the class. Like whenever an image is active, it attains a special class called Swiper-slide-active. So once we will stylize this class, it will apply this class to all the active images. Like whenever an image is in focus, it will attain this class. So we want it to attain a certain height whenever an image is in active status. So we will make it transform scale 1.2. We will make it important so it should attain it even if there is a different style assigned by CSS. Once that is done, I also want it to attain a radius of 10 pixels. Yeah. We want it to transit, so we will add a transition of 0.4 seconds all and ease. You can copy this style to your style sheet here. So now you can see, like whenever an image attains the active class, it attains this special CSS property which was assigned. So you can modify it in your own desired way. So that's it. If you have any questions, do let me know. I would love to assist. Thank you and have a great day.